Hey guys, welcome back to a video, and today we are going to be making halloumi fries with two dipping sauces. So first you want to make your cover for the halloumi fries by combining plain flour and corn flour and spices. All the measurements that I used and ingredients will be on the screen, so pause, screenshot and keep them. And then you want to get them a mix together and then set them to one side. Right, so now we're going to move on to make our garlic and herb dipping sauce. Now this is really easy. You just want to combine all the measurements on screen in a bowl together and give it a mix. So it's super easy, and this garlic and herb sauce is exactly like the one you get from Domino's. It tasted very similar. So yeah, and it's really good to dip in halloumi fries as well. But then you're going to want to move on to make your lemon and herb dipping sauce, which is again the exact same method. Just put all the measurements and ingredients in a bowl and give it a mix. I added a little bit too much lemon juice, so I did add a little bit of mayonnaise as I did want it slightly thicker. But like I said again, this can be used for dipping halloumi fries or anything else. And there are your two sauces done. Then you want to cut up your halloumi into little cuboids or like fry shapes. You can do these as like small little cubes, as like bites, and then you want to put them into your flour and tap them together. So do two at a time, just get rid of any excess flour. Then you're going to want to put them into a deep fat fryer, and that should be at 175 degrees Celsius. Cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes until they're nice and crispy. And that's how you make halloumi fries with a dipping sauce of garlic and herb and lemon and herb.